So the next platform we're going to be taking a look at is Trello. So in a nutshell, you can use Trello to manage any project that you are working on, right? So you can use it to do things like track your tasks, set deadlines, and make notes on your tasks. It's a very nice platform and it's easy to use. So you want to go to Trello.com. Again, the link will be in the resource section of this lecture. So once we're here, we're just going to provide our email address and then select sign up. So here I'm just going to select continue with Google. Here I'm just going to select create account, and then here you're going to select an option, what brings you to Trello. So I'm just going to select track personal task and to-dos, then select next. Here you're going to provide a name for your board. So a board is where all the works happen, where you create your cards, make your notes, and set like your due date and task, right? So I'm gonna call this Versity. Then select next. So now you can organize your board with card. So here they are suggesting to do, doing, and done. So we're just gonna keep these three that they are suggesting. You can always add more or change them after. So to do, then select next. So here they're giving a overview of what it will look like. So to do, you have a list of tasks, what you're doing, and then what you have completed. So for example, I'm just going to say buy microphone here. I'm going to select next. And if you're working with team members or other individuals, you can invite them to your project to work on it as well. So I'm going to select skip for this one. You can always do that later. So I'm going to select go to first board. So here you'd add your list of tasks that you need to do. Once you're ready to work on your task, you're going to drag it to doing, right? Once you complete your task, you're going to drag it to done. You can also edit your task and add information on it. You can write notes. You can add that deadline to the task, right? So here I'm just selecting December the 25th. I'm going to select save. You can add checklist to your task, a list of things that you need to check off, right? You can add attachments, right? And you can even add a cover, right? But for starters, the basic is sufficient. You want to list your tasks, add like a due date, and then when you're working on it, you're just going to drag it to doing. So once you get your ideas or you have things to do, you're going to list them out in Trello, and that's where you're going to keep track of them and help to keep yourself accountable. And that's basically it for Trello in a nutshell.